Hey! Hey! No! Stop that! No! No, mate. Please don't beep the horn. It's very loud.
Huh?
No more. Too loud.
No.
No more. Too loud.
No.
No. Hey, stop, please. No beeping the horn.
No.
No. No more horn. Stop, you rat bag. No. Please. Alex, no more horn. Out you get.
Maybe.
No beeping. Look at this sad lip. Look at this lip here. That indicates sadness to a great degree. Come here for a cuddle. Bye-bye.
Grandma.
Grandma?
Yeah.
No, Grandma's not there. Or she might be.
Mama.
Mama might be watching this too. I don't know. Yeah, give Gypsy a good hug. Let's say you feel better. You're gonna say bye-bye.
Polly.
Polly might be watching too. Gypsy stinky breath. Gypsy. Hmm? Here, look at the screen. Look, it's Gypsy. Whoop. Hey, hello Gypsy.
Alice.
Hello Gypsy.
Listen.
You're gonna say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Polly.